Waking up early won't make you rich. It won't put money in your bank account. It won't multiply your revenue. It won't build your business. But there is something it does. It makes you mentally rich first. And when you become rich in self-governance, money is just a consequence. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why everyone says waking up early make you productive, but nobody talks about what really happens when you control the first hour of your day. And if you stay until the end, you will understand why this 1 hour is worth more than 8 hours of chaotic work. If you don't know me, I'm Danilo Limitless. My mission is to decode the mental patterns of the world's most prosperous people so you can master your own life. And the concept I'm going to show you now is what separates those who wake up early as a trend from those who wake up early and transform their entire lives. This concept is called self-governance. Let me tell you something very personal. A bit more than 100 days ago, I completely changed my routine. Before, I used to wake up early at 5:40 in the morning. I'd go to bed at midnight, sometimes 11:30 p.m. I slept little, woke up tired, started the day reacting. My phone alarm would go off. First thing I'd do, open YouTube to check how many views I got the day before. Before even getting out of the bed, my day was already being controlled by other people. And then I made a decision. I'm going to wake up at 4:15 every day, no exceptions. And I'm going to sleep at 9:30 p.m. No negotiation. You might be thinking, Danilo, you only move it forward by 1 hour and 25 minutes. Big deal. It's not about the hour. It is about who controls the first hour of the day. The first week was brutal. Wake up 4:15 when your body is used to 5:40 seems impossible. But I did something different from everyone who tries to wake up early. I didn't try to be more productive. I protect the first hour as if were sacred. My ritual. 4:15 I wake up, zero phone. First thing, prayer, 10 minutes connection with God. Then immediate action, 4 kilometers running, body awakens. I come back, study 30 minutes, mind awaken. I drink 1 liter of water and make breakfast and eat with my family. I showered, I get ready. By 6:30 a.m. I've already done more for my personal development than 90% of people will do all day. And you know what happened in 100 days? It's not that I become more productive, it's that I increase my frequency like that. I feel power I didn't feel before. It's not power over other people, it's power over myself, self-governance. I wake up before the world wakes up. I decided the tone of my day. I don't react, I act. And when chaos starts, and it always starts, I'm already ready. Because I had 1 hour of peace before chaos arrived. What I discovered firsthand in these 100 days is part of a concept I learned called self-governance. Waking up early won't make you financially rich, but it makes you rich in 3 things that money can't buy. 1. Self-governance. self-governance. You control the day. The day doesn't control you. Most people wake up reacting. Alarms goes off, then grabs phone, then sees problem, then start they stressed. You are controlled from the first minute. When you wake up early and protect the first hour, you decide what enters your mind. You decide the emotional tone of the day. You govern yourself. Self-governance is the foundation of everything. Rich person without self-governance loses everything. Rich person with self-governance multiplies everything. Number 2, clean brain. First hour of the day, your brain is clean. Nobody has messaged you yet. Nobody has asked you for anything. Nobody has thrown problems at you. It's the only hour of the day when you have total mental clarity. If you spend that hour on your phone, you pollute your brain before using it. If you protect that hour, you program your day with clarity. Clean brain is equal better decision. Better decision is equal better results. Number 3, forced to sleep early. When you wake up 4:15, you need to sleep at 9:30 p.m. There is no negotiation. If you stay up until midnight, you can wake up 4:15. One day, yes, but with frequency, it's impossible. So, waking up early forces you to have cascading discipline. Eat dinner earlier. Stop working earlier. Turn off phone earlier. Sleep earlier. One discipline create another. One excellent habit pulling other excellent habits. And in the end, you sleep more, wake up better, and have more energy. I used to sleep 5 hours and 30 minutes before. Now I slept 6 hours and 45 minutes. More sleep, more energy, more clarity. How to apply it in your life? It's not about waking up 4:15 like me. It is about controlling the first hour of your day. There is the wrong way. Wake up early to be productive. Wake up early, then grab phone, then work non-stop, then burnout. Result, burnout early in the day. And there is the right way. Wake up early for self-governance. No one has taught this to you before. Then live your life. Wake up early, then protect the first hour, then prepare mind and body, then work, result, sustaining energy all day. Practical steps. Step 1. Define your sacred hour. It doesn't have to be 4:15. It can be 5. It can be 5:30, 6. But it has to be before the world wakes up. Before message, before problem, before chaos. Step 2, protect the first hour. Zero phone, zero notification, zero emails. The first hour is yours. Use it for spiritual connection, prayer, physical movement, running, gym, walking, mental development, study, reading. Step 3, force the system. If you want to wake up early, you need to sleep early. There is no hack. There is no shortcut. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. Your body will adapt in 21 days or less. Step 4. Measure self-governance, not productivity. Don't ask, how many tasks did I do? Ask, Did I control my energy or was controlled? Self-governance is the metric. Have you ever stopped to think about why you sleep late? Netflix kept you until midnight with just one more episode. Instagram trapped you in infinite scroll before bed. YouTube recommended 47 videos you need to watch. They want you to stay up consuming. Your bedtime isn't yours. It's controlled by engagement algorithms. When you decide to sleep 9:30 p.m., you are recovering self-governance over your time. These platforms are designed to keep you awake, consuming, scrolling, because the longer you are awake, the more they profit. Your sleep schedule has been hijacked by companies that don't care about your energy tomorrow. When you take back control of your sleep time, you take back control of your morning. And when you control your morning, you control your entire day. Now tell me, who controls the first hour of your day? You or your phone? You or other people's messages? You or external chaos? Can I tell you a secret? When you discover the unmatched power of commanding your own life, you will prosper in everything you put your hand to. You let the world control you from the first minute of the day, and then you spend the whole day reacting. The brutal truth is, waking up early won't make you financially rich, but it makes you rich in self-governance. And rich in self-governance builds everything. Because when you have self-governance, you make better decisions, you maintain discipline, you are not controlled by urgencies, you act, you don't react, and that makes you rich. Let me tell you one last secret. In 100 days, waking up at 4:50, I changed my life more than in 2 years of trying to be predictive. Not because I work more, because I govern myself. First hour control is equal day controlled. Day controlled is equal week controlled. Week controlled is equal life controlled. The choice is yours. If you want to keep receiving mental quotes that transform your relationship with discipline, time, and self-governance, live your life. Follow the channel now, because every week I decode another mental pattern from successful people so you can master your own life.